Good morning, people. Hope y'all doing great, doing fantastic, all that good stuff. So today I'm going to get my car detailed. If you guys don't remember, last week or so, I was going to go get my car detailed, and my mom's car, like, she's back there following me. You can't really see her back there, but she's back there following me. Yeah, her car had like a mouse got into her like coil wire and bit 2 of the coil wires off, so she had no power. But her car's back running live, good to go. And now I'm going to go take my car over, get it detailed. It just needs cleaned, like and, you know, you can go to the car wash and you can like vacuum it out and everything like that. Like that's, you know, that's like essential to do, but I don't know, it just doesn't really do the job that I need it to do. I need like the fine detailed, like, let me show you, like all these like nick and crannies and stuff like that, and then like all up in here, and you know, like the dash and like just the windows and just like all this and stuff that you don't normally get. That's what I want to get clean. So he's gonna get in there, fine detail it and all that good stuff, and yeah, I'm excited about it. And then I'm gonna go to the store with mom, and we're gonna get like bananas and stuff like that so I can start making smoothies, because smoothies are where it's at. I like smoothies. And I'm gonna get like peanut butter and all this stuff just to make like probably like peanut butter banana smoothies and stuff like that with my protein shake, because my protein is peanut butter. So yeah, should be a good time. Alright, so now me and mom dropped my car off, start there, and then we're here at the grocery store getting some groceries. And mom said, "What are you looking for, mom?"
Pears.
She's looking for pears. I didn't even pay her to say that. That's so funny. All right, so a few hours later, went back just now, got my car. Holy moly. If you guys, well, I didn't show you that seat, but that seat was pretty dirty. And then let me flip the camera. I'll show you what I showed you guys earlier. The dash and everything, but look how smooth, and it's like all waxed up, ready to go. He didn't wax the steering wheel because, you know, you don't want to do that, but like all this right here, it's all cleaned up. All these little cracks and stuff, all cleaned up. Everything is good to go. Now I'm going to make my way home, and then I'm going to I gotta pick up some movies at the house, go take those back to the store, and then I'm probably gonna go home, get my gym bag, and go to the gym. Kind of stinks, because if I would have remembered the movies and my gym bag like I was going to, I could have went from picking up my car to the gym, and then from the gym to drop off the movies. But it is what it is. It'll be okay. We'll just do it in reverse. We'll go backtrack and then drive back this way. So it's a little more driving, but it is what it is. I'm just happy I got my car clean. So I'll see you guys here in a little bit. Oh yeah, so I got this new app. It's like has like a bunch of new fitness stuff on it. It gives me like workouts and everything like that. It's because I didn't know what I was gonna do. I feel like I was all over the place. This app helps with that. It takes away all the like the trying and figure out what I'm gonna do that day, what workout to do, this and that. It's like $40 or something like that for a lifetime, $39.99. You pay it one time, lifetime, or you can pay like $15 a month or something like that. I'm gonna try the 7-day trial, see how I like it. If it's good, I'll recommend it to y'all, but I wanna try it out. Today was good though. I was a little bit all over the place and I was kind of confused. I was like, wait a minute, why am I doing this? Why am I over here? Why am I going to there? But hey, if it works, I'll be happy about it. Went tanning also, so my face is a little bit darker. I feel like, I don't know. Maybe I'm just seeing things. But I feel like I'm getting darker after just 2 tans, which is kind of cool. But I want to get like super tan. But that's what I keep saying. But I'll see you guys when I get home. All right, so basically after that last clip that you just seen, I did not film anything else. I said I was gonna see you guys when I get home or whatever and things. And I'm like, I just didn't pick up the camera. This is actually a clip from a couple days like later. And I just seen this video. I was like, why did I not edit this video all the way and get it out? But it wasn't really that great. It was just like a couple clips. I think that's why it never got released. But I'm here at the gas station right now, getting some gas, and I'm going to end this video. And it's going to be a kind of a short one. So hope you guys enjoyed it anyway. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe, hit that like button, and keep on keeping on. Don't let me bring you down. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.